welcome to another episode of Cleaning with the Academy. I'm your coach, Dave Thompson. Today I'm going to talk to you about how to disinfect the floors after you've cleaned them, and it's not with a mop bucket. You apply chemical to your fixtures, not with a bucket. You apply them with a pump-up sprayer or electrostatic sprayer, and it's on a pre-cleaned surface that you do this on. The floors aren't any different. Matter of fact, the floors are worse than anything in the restroom. So apply it by one of these, or turn on your electrostatic sprayer and spray your disinfectant on the floor. Pre-clean. Now the chemical is getting to my floor and it's going to be able to disinfect. Come back for how I clean up after this, because it's got to have some dwell time. So next hack coming right up here at Cleaning with the Academy.